Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Huwaidi Nuruddin. I'm from Soreang Senior High School. Today's motion is this house would arrange the student in a classroom based on their intelligence and academic performance rather than their age. I agree with this motion because it could make the student feel more equal to each other, and it could make the students feel more comfortable in a classroom because they know they are on the same intelligence and academic performance level. So it is really easy for the students to gain more spirit to learn and to compete with each other because they want to be the best one in the classroom, and it is beneficial too for the teacher because the teacher could could differentiate which class needed more attention and more explanation to to understand some materials. For example, like math, physics, biology, and chemistry. It is the four main core uh, lessons of science class. And if we arrange it by the student's intelligence and academic performance, the teacher could be more easier to give the materials to those class who are on the higher level of intelligence and academic performance. Then the teachers also could give more explanation to those class who are on the lower side of the academic and intelligence performance level. So the teachers could be more active to teach the students, and in the end it will bring all of the students to the same level, and they and the students will be feel equal because they are treated the same to to reach the success. It will raise the students' confidence because they know they are on the same level of ability, so they will compete with each other, and unconsciously they will learn more, study more, and explain more because they want to be the best in class. Then, if the classroom was arranged by their age, it will be not balanced and not equal. It is really hard for the teacher to give the materials to the variety of intelligence level in one class, because if the teacher give a really hard material for the not smart students, they would not ask to the teacher because they are afraid they are they will be wrong, and they also will not ask to the smarter student in the class because they don't want to bother them, and sometimes the smarter student is greedy too, and it leads the not so smart students with the lower intelligence and academic performance to 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 be bullied by the other, because the not so smart student could not do anything in the class. Therefore, we have to arrange the students in a classroom based on their intelligence and academic performance level, because it is good for the environment rather than leaving someone who is different and lower intelligence level in the class. Then it is, and it will be bad influence for the other, because they who is not they who are not in the higher intelligence level in the classroom, they will cheat to the other and not care and not and they do not care about the materials. They just care about their grades to compete with the higher intelligence students in a classroom, because they could not do anything and they don't want to be bullied. And in the end, it will be bad for them, because they what all they know is only cheating to the to the other, and not making the answer for themselves. It is different if we arrange it by the intelligence level. They will not do that because they are more comfort to ask each other, and they are more willing to explain to each other, help each other, and they will learn and study more because they want to compete in the classroom, to be the best in the classroom. And unconsciously, it will be better for the school, the environment, and the reputation of both and school and that student. That's why I agree with this motion. It will make their future bright, and they will get a lot of lessons because they already practice it in the class itself. They will be more spiritual and more confidence to themselves. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.